Welcome back to the Ozone Shoe Believers. Boss Vegeta 1 here. For those of you that don't know, I buy 2 pairs of every Nike or Jordan GR every year. If you like sneakers, you found the right channel. Make sure you hit that like and subscribe button. Get you guys a little label action. Let the focus. How let the focus out of the light. Doesn't want to work with me. There we go. This one reads the Air Jordan 2 Retro White Cement, Gray, Shell, and Black. I got this to complete my cool gray collection. So these are the Jordan 2 cool grays. I have every other pair of cool grays, so I said I might as well get these shoes. Wasn't going to get any more 2s. Let me see. Nothing is in this box. They really don't throw anything in with the 2s. Wow, you guys had to sneeze. I'm not liking these cool grays. The materials on the cool grays are maybe not that good. They're just Jordan 2 materials. You know how I feel about this shoe. I'll let you guys see it firsthand. Tell me what you guys think about it. I don't know what these are doing. I think these might have bombed. I got them for under retail, but I think they're still going down. Got these for like maybe 50 under retail. I think I paid like $1.20 for these. I got some to sell, but they were selling slow. Not a huge Jordan 2 fan, but like I told you guys, I wanted to have the complete cool gray collection. See, top of the shoe, nothing special. Looks like a soft leather. You get to the snake skin on the side of the shoe. The little faded white breakup. White outsole. Back of the shoe, you get the cool gray Nike with the Jordan 2 fins. I'm just call this off-white. Maybe aged white. The eyelets on the shoe are the same. Standard Jordan 2 bottom. Nothing out of the usual. Tell you guys a look at what this shoe is going to look like when it's on your feet. The Jordan 2 Retro Cool Grays. Let me know what you guys think. Are you trying to buy a pair of these? Are you going to buy a pair of these? Are you going to pass? Let me know what shoes you guys are buying. Let me know what shoes you guys want to see on the channel next. Above all else, everybody stay safe and have a nice day.